From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could wake up every morning feeling refreshed and on time, thanks to a reliable and feature-packed alarm clock? The Desk Digital Clock Sound Control Backlight from SIDUFHOPKLL is a top-rated and highly sought-after solution that has already caught the attention of many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, praising its effectiveness. This clock boasts a comprehensive information display, with a high-definition LCD screen that clearly shows the time, date, temperature, and alarm settings, making it easy to stay informed at a glance. The alarm itself is highly customizable, with 8 different tones to choose from, and setting it up is a breeze, making it perfect for children and the elderly. When the alarm sounds, you can simply press the snooze button to get a few extra minutes of sleep, and the sound control feature ensures that any noise will wake up the clock, so you'll never oversleep. The clock's quiet operation means it won't disturb your sleep, and the display's clear visibility ensures you can easily read the time even in a dark room. In real-life use, this clock has proven to be more reliable and easier to use than other alarm clocks on the market, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their morning routine. With its combination of features, ease of use, and quiet operation, the Desk Digital Clock Sound Control Backlight is a great investment for anyone who wants to start their day on the right foot, and I would definitely recommend giving it a try. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.